Hi friend. In the last lecture we have seen the introduction of the heterocyclic compounds. And what is the heterocyclic compound actually or related things. And today in the same chapter we would like to see the nomenclature of the heterocyclic compounds. How there are two types of nomenclature system. One is the common name and another one is IUPAC nomenclature. IUPAC is the International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. This is one organization. This organization is the arrange or manage that all the name of the compounds in one framework or in frame of that systems. Then the rules for the IUPAC nomenclature of these heterocyclic compounds. There are initially and the prefix means prefix in the sense starting of that name. How that names are start means prefix are used for heteroatom like oxa. Oxa it is for the oxygen, thia for the sulfur, aza for the nitrogen, and sila for the silicon, and phospa for the phosphorus elements or phosphorus heterocyclic compounds. In that, the last vowel means ending of that name is a suffix actually. It is not prefix, suffix actually are replaced by the respective ending words depending of the size of the ring. In that, the initially the 3-member ring compound is there. The name of ending that irine, and there is 4-number heterocyclic rings. The ending is it, and 5-number is ol, 6-number in, and 7-number ipin. It means that the number changing the number of the heterocyclic rings from 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 like that, the ending of name of that compound is replaced by irine, 8, ol, in, and ipine systems. Then the actually structure of structures, trivial name, IUPAC name, structure of first structure is that this one is 5-member ring. 5-member ring with oxygen atom. This oxygen atom means furon. Its common name is this compound this common name is trivial name, or its trivial name or common name is same, furon, and its IUPAC name is ozole. Then the second one is oxygen is replaced by sulfur, and that compound name is thiophene. Common name is or trivial name is thiophene, but its IUPAC name is thiol. Then the sulfur is replaced by the nitrogen, and that compound name is pyrrole, or IUPAC name is azole. Then pyridine, it is a 6-member heterocyclic compound. That name common name is pyridine, and is IUPAC name is azine. Another rule is third rule is in monocyclic compound. Monocyclic means only single ring is there. The compound containing only one heteroatom. Numbering start from the heteroatom. It means any functional group is on there on this furon numbering 1 starting on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbering is there. Substitute is there, the starting from that oxygen, numbering starting from that oxygen, right? Then next rule is when 2 or more of the same heteroatom are present, the prefixes di, tri, etc are used in IUPAC systems. Trivial name of this numbering start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in and tribal name is pyrimidine. The IUPAC name is 1,3-diazine. In 6-member ring is in diazine. Like similarly, the in next compound the 1,4 position is nitrogen. The tribal name of this compound is pyrazine, and IUPAC name is 1,4-diazine. Diazine. Suppose in there is one more nitrogen is there at two positions at that time, 1, 2 and 4 triazine. Like then the neighboring nitrogen group is there, then 1, 2 position is there, tribal name is pyridazine and its IUPAC name is 1,2-diazine. Then and rule number 5, the ring containing more than one type of heteroatoms, then the position first preference is given to the elements from the highest group number of periodic table. For example, the preference of oxygen group number 6 before N nitrogen group 5 and S group 6 before nitrogen group 5. The direction of numbering round the ring is such that the kept minimum. First example is the numbering start from in green signal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this, but in the ways not like this, not this ways 1, 5 or 1, 2, 3, 4, not reverse manner. This is in forward manner in green symbol like that. The first compound is 1,3-thiazole or 1,4-thiazole. 1,4-thiazole is wrong because numbering on this side is wrong. Then 1,3-oxazole. Number 1 is oxygen and number 2 is nitrogen. Then 1,3-oxazole. But 1,4-oxazole is wrong or is wrong. Then numbering 1, 2, 1 number oxygen, 2 number sulfur, 3, 4 number nitrogen. Then 1, 2, 4 oxathiazine. Then the numbering oxygen first, nitrogen second, then third one is the carbon, fourth number 1 sulfur, but name is 1, 4 nitrogen, not 1, 2, not 1, 4 1, 4, 2 oxathiazine like this. Then the importance of heterocyclic compounds. The most of the heterocyclic compound have important application. Most nitrogen heterocyclic have pharmacological applications. Pharmacological means in the medicine there are lots of use of heterocyclic compounds. Triazole derivative are used as a tranquilizer and sedatives. Some of the nitrogen heterocyclic shows the antipyretic, anti-inflammatory and analgesic activities. Quinone used as antiseptic. Antiseptic in the sense in the burning the skin at the time, the quinoline compounds are used for that to recover that wounds. Some of the nitrogen derivatives have found in their place in polymer industry. Fused triazolothiazole reported to be activated as insecticide and fungicide. Insecticide in the fertilizer and pesticides. In that there is another one is insecticides in the agriculture. These triazolothiazoles are used as insecticides. Then triazolobenzothiazoles are and triazolobenzooxazoles were found to be plant protective agents and used as agriculture fungicide. For today, this is the nomenclature and importance of the heterocyclic compounds, and after that we have seen the furan systems on how actually structure of that furan compound, then how it is prepared, and then how what kinds of reactions on that furan, like electrocyclic, nucleophilic substitution, electrophilic substitution, like that things, and resonance structure of that furan compounds.